mindset Rastafari. So, put up on a journey. So you know, so we couldn't do a Ghana and a tried go up at JamRock. We could have never there and do that. No sir. We did have to reach a JamRock. Zane, and you know JamRock stay already, them always a show them nice pool and this and that and you know what I mean? But all of that all good and nice and thing, but you don't know the food I did really there for. Zane? Yeah man, the food I did there so far. So when I check the menu, I sight up a thing called Ital is Vital and straight away I could relate. So I met the order, little later them send this big plate full of ripe plantain and callaloo. Me I tell you, you should have seen my face. But you want to hear Empress know around there, so I shout down the place.
I'm just having chicken, hot wings.
She a shout down the place I try to make it look like me greedy. But for telling her the truth, yo, fear spoon I left my plate. So in a Ghana, what we call rice and peas in a Jamaica, them call it boache in a Ghana. But nonetheless, me sight up some rice and peas, see? But it did have that taste of boache, said way, the Ghanaian style. And me sight up a next thing what me like, called kelewele, fry plantain, well spicy, me I tell you. The thing no normal. So really and truly, if me fi rate JamRock a 10 out of 10 straight. Yeah man, JamRock the thing hot. And me I tell you say, yo, make sure say on the first visit anytime on the touch in Accra, Ghana. Me say that. Alright? Chat blog. I just start.
Oh my god. I'm just having chicken, hot wings.
Charlie.